araw lang kami nakadating and we traveled via bus. So, initially, dapat 5 hours lang yung travel kasi nag-depart kami sa Kuala Lumpur ng 5 p.m. So, ang schedule talaga namin is 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Dapat nandito na kami sa Singapore. Pero, sobrang traffic and then nag-stopover pa for siguro 5 minutes to pee. And yun, mas marami yung traffic. Kaya inabot kami ng halos 8 oras din yung biyahe namin. Nung oras kami nakarating dito. Siguro mga around 1 or 2. Yun. So, ayan. And here's our hotel for our Singapore trip. We're here in the Hotel Lavender sa Jellicoe Road. Ang ganda nung room namin. Medyo magulo lang. Kasi tulog pa yung mga bata. Pero show around ko kayo. Yung toilet, hindi ko pa masya-show kasi nasa loob si husband. So, ayan. Yan. Ang ganda, no? So, that's the kids. This is I think, twin room. Tama ba yung nabook ko? Ayan. Isang malaking bed, tapos isang single bed for kuya. So, ang ganda ng, view. And look. Tada! Kita namin ang Singapore sa baba. Ayan. Ganda. So, right now, pagigising lang namin halos. Magpe-prepare lang din kami kasi pupunta kami ng Gardens by the Bay and Cloud Forest Dome. So after that, a little walk tour to the Merlion and siguro food trip na din around the area. So, while waiting for her husband sa toilet, magkakape muna ako. Ang ganda nung nila. Ang gulo kasi nung table. Ang ganda nung Ayan, diba? Yan, sa window, merong parang area. Pwede mong upuan. Pwede mo rin lagyan ng luggage. Tapos, eto. Ayan, service phone. Ka-charge kasi yung mga fans namin. And they do have, ayan, complimentaries. Ayan yung coffee ni husband. So, ito pang init ng water. Ayan, tapos may TV. Ayan. May ref din eh. So, ayan yung gamit. May safety din yata. And safety and mini ref. So, ayan, may mga lagayan ng gamit or damit. And, alam nyo what I like about here sa Singapore is that they do not have plastic bottles. They do have plastic bottles, no? Pero, I mean, what I meant was, yung tubig nila is very clean. You can drink water directly from their tap. So, kailan ba yun? The first time na nagpunta ako dito was in 2017 then with my friends. Pero, nung time na yun, malinis na rin yung tubig nila. And sa tap water lang din pwedeng kumuha ng tubig sa mga fountain. Ayan, libre lang. Kasi kung bibili ka ng tubig from the convenience store or outside, mahal. So, we were advised na you get your own plastic bottle and refill mo na lang while you're on your trip around the city. So, ayan, nakalagay din naman eh. Dati siguro may plastic bottles, tas ngayon wala na. So, safe from the tap. And then, if you want to drink coffee, you can just put your water here para initin. So, yun yung ginawa namin coffee. Yes. Nakita niyo yung mga gamit namin, ang gugulo ng gamit namin. So, talaga salpak na lang kami ng salpak kagabi. Kanina madaling araw pala pagdating namin. So, yun. Mamaya, pakita na lang namin sa inyo yung pupuntahan namin. So, while waiting, let's have some coffee. Bye-bye.
Hello, good morning. Dito kami sa Singapore. Sa hotel namin, paalis pa lang kami. So, eto si Mommy and Tasha. Saan tayo punta? Saan tayo punta, guys?
Cloud Forest Dome.
Tingnan mo naman yung outfitan nitong may birthday girl na to. Oh, look oh. Ay, naka-lipstick pa yan. Ang Ganda naman ng OOTD ng anak ko. Ito si Kuya, cellphone pa din. Kuya! Kuya! Say hi. Ito yung room namin. Okay. Mamaya na siya mag-room tour si Madam. Ay, nag-room tour ka na ba? Nag-room tour na pala si Madam. So, ito yung windows. Yan. Alis na kami. See you. See you when I see you. Bye. Huwag mo naligpitin yan. Hindi mo naman bahay yan.
Yeah. It's with Daddy. Hi, good morning. Yan. So, kakalabas lang namin ng hotel and magbe-breakfast muna kami. Kasi gutom yung mga kids. Ito kami sa may Lavender Station. Malapit lang yung hotel namin sa train station. What? Kanan? Yeah, we will eat. Don't worry. Kaya nga eh. Pwede natin Yep, there is. My fries? Ito oh. Yung sa may makakain sila. Malamang oo. Tapos sa taas na lang natin kainin.
Tapos dito natin kainin sa food court. Tapos tayo mo.
Pwede. So, anong gagawin natin? I-take out muna tayo?
Mag-order tayo para sa mga bata. Tapos di tayo
Okay. Okay. So, we're gonna buy food muna sa mga kids kasi mas ano sila, more on McDo. Baka fries lang. May fries ba dito? May fries sa kabila? Oh, thank you. So, yun. Wait lang, anak.
Wait lang. Tasha.
Kids. So, we're eating at McDo. Breakfast wraps. Platters.
Saan?
Later, anak. Ay, no, platters.
Walang rice.
Hot cake. Tasha, you want hot cake? No. Pancake. Ayaw. Yan, dito kami natuloy sa may parang food court. Tapat lang ng McDo. Kasi walang type yung mga bata. Ito yung in-order namin ni Daddy. Yan sa kanya. And ito naman sa akin. So yung kanila kinukuha na ni Daddy. Ayun. Yan. Kami. May sabaw talaga. Oo. May sabaw talaga.
Marami.
Ay, patay.
Yung rice na lang yung siguro.
Hayaan mo na. So
Kaya
yun.
bigyan mo na lang dyan yung rice.
J.O. rice. This is chicken. Tasha,
What about fries?
walang fries, rice, not fries. So yun,
Earlier.
sorry anak, we need rice. Tasha, eat. Share kayo ni Tasha. Sa'yo to. Ito kay Tasha, chicken. Ito sa'yo. So yun, masa na nga ba ako? Nakain muna kami, nagkanin na kami kasi medyo matagal-tagal yata. Marami kami lakarang gagawin dahil hindi kami masyado magta-taxi today. We prefer trains kasi mas madaling intindihin yung train nila dito or transport nila dito sa Singapore compared dun sa Malaysia. Tsaka malayo masyado sa Malaysia kaya parang hindi rin ganun kayong train. Maano yung mga palitan, yung mga interchange, mahirap intindihin. Basta medyo complicated siya for us. Unlike dito sa SG. Siguro pag mga tinatamad na yung bata, saka kami, mag-taxi or grab na lang. Anyway, so, see you later. We'll eat muna. Bye-bye.
We need to go straight pa. Doon pa tayo, diretso.
Hey, there's the boat. We should put it.
So, dito kami. We are going to...
No!
Ayan na, nag-i-start na sila dahil mainit. Tutuyuin ang mga yan.
Ang panic!
Ang pangit ni TJ. So guys,
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Jurassic Park ba to?
No pond.
Ah, pond.
Hey, hey!
Wait, just stay there, stay there. It's fun. Miss, may videographer.
Time to go together.
Alright, so dito na kami sa Cloud Forest. Init ah. Naglalasti kami. Ando sila, nagpipicture taking sila, mga bata. Ayan. Let's go, kids! Ito kasi, pinag-isipan ko rin kung dito ba dadalhin yung mga kids or sa Singapore Zoo. Sabi ko, baka mas mag-enjoy yung mga bata dito kasi ever since mahilig talaga sa mga dinosaur tong mga anak ko. And yung sa zoo naman, kakagaling lang din kasi namin ng zoo. So yun, ito na lang kami. Yes, meron na. We'll go inside lang ano pa lang yung, ano lang namin yung pascan lang namin yung ticket. Wait.
Jurassic Park.
Lamig na dito talaga.
Wala nga. Yes! How about there, oh, Tasha? You ha-
Kumakain na.
Okay.
Diyan na lang, anak.
There's the other one.
Let's go, kids.
Let's go down to the sea. Let's go down.
Yes! Tuwan-tuwa sa automatic na pinto. So yun, Cloud Forest and Flower Dome pala yung na-avail kong tour package with the Jurassic Adventure. So ito siya.
Love it here.
Yan. So if you're gonna go, yun na lang i-avail nyo para pareho nyo mapuntahan kasi magkaiba yata. Okay. Let's go. Jay, wait for us. Daddy, can you close? Oo. Wait for us, boy. Parang sa Cloud Forest lang yata kami nakapunta. Tama ba? Hindi ko matandaan. Ayan. Ganda, oh. TJ, Tasha, wait for mommy and daddy. Let's look at the flowers. Look, oh. Super cool. You like it?
Yeah, just follow me. I found the one.
No, let's go here. This is the other... Sino?
Madonna. Ayun na
Oh,
Hello.
so beautiful. laki. Oh, take your time ah. We have a lot of time, kids. Huwag kayong magmadali. Yan, tuwan-tuwa yung mga bata.
Dahil walang gubat sa kanila. Kumuha na lang sila ng gubat, no?
Ganun na nga. So, ang ganda. What? Mm. Wow. What animal is that?
No, that's piglin dinosaur.
That's not...
Piglin dinosaur.
No, it's
I
not...
wanna call that.
Okay, okay. It's not yet dinosaurs. We'll go to the Jurassic later. We have a... Bro, tawag ka ni Daddy. Lamig na. You like it here?
Yeah.
See? Pag...
I just found a swimming pool.
So, pag malamig kasi, hindi sila nagre-reklamo. Pag mainit lang, sa dalawang to. Pag mainit tapos kahit di naman nakakapagod, sabihin nila,
You can find
nakakapagod.
the squirrel.
Ganon sila. Ayan.
That's not swimming there.
Let's have a game.
Whoa! Is that a deer?
Yeah.
Is that a deer?
This is the South African Garden. Jay?
Hey, there's a man too.
Want to take photo, Dad? Later.
What the heck? What's this?
Jay, don't say unnecessary words.
Giraffe.
Wow, graffiti.
And a human with a rock on his head. Like it in here.
Are you happy? You're happy with your birthday? Yeah. Where do you want to go next? Here or here? Ito muna?
Here.
Okay, okay. Where? Ah, yeah, that's an owl. They call it the Thelwell Pony and Rider.
Halika ma, let's find some.
Okay, we'll follow you.
Roots.
Tasha, wait for us. Ayan yung marina, oh. Ayan, kita. Galing dito. Tapos yung super grove trees. Sure, sure. Ayan, follow daw namin yung lead niya.
I think there's no dinosaurs in here. Come on, let's go down.
The dinosaurs is on the other dome, anak.
Wala na din.
Dahil ko bahala na siya kung ano rin yung mangyayari.
Sige.
Ano yung suha?
Para nga eh. Oh, that's sunkissed.
O ano yun? Peras.
Parang peras. Ito, peras. Hindi ba? Parang bayabas. Ah, pomelo pala. Bayabas tuloy. Yung amoy kasi. Ang laki namang bayabas nito. Yung amoy niya kasi parang ganun. Doon yata sa ano, sa parang souvenir shop. Yes, yes, we're coming. Diyos ko, yung mga anak ko. Ano bang madaling ikutin lahat. Okay.
Look at Grandpa. Walang kamay.
It's there. Ay, sorry.
Ba't wala sila kamay sa kalma?
It's just an art, anak. It's their art.
Wala sila kuya.
Look at the flower. So beautiful. I don't know what it's called, but oh, ang ganda.
Mami, may suitcase, oh. Saka may bag.
Yes, traveler. Okay, where we're going? Leader? TJ the leader?
Grizzly bear.
All right. Where do we go next? Mr. TJ the leader? Yeah, grizzly bear. Is it? I think that's Winnie the Pooh. Ganda ng mga halaman.
Is that
Where? Ayun o, doon o, may view doon o. Ayun o, yung sa may ano doon, love. Eto, dito tayo. O, mas maganda doon sa kabila. Yung may, parang lavender ba yun? Ito, daddy o. Uy, may yung ano, parang may bar. Bato? Cafe. Ayan yung flyer. That's the Singapore flyer. It's, ano, seen from this view. Yan. What? Let's take a photo, kids. Can we take a photo here? Okay. Where are you? Wooing! Wow! Oo nga, no? Pati ako na pa, wow. Ganda. Kaya pala tuwan-tuwa sila. Look, oh, there's a Zen garden here. Here.
I don't see anything. I don't see anything.
It's a Zen garden.
Chinese garden.
I think it's Japanese, like. Oh, nauntog love. Love, parang unang beses pa rin, no? Ang tagal na kasi nung huling punta ko.
Parang di ko nga ito nakita.
Di ko lang matandaan. Parang napuntahan naman.
Yay!
Parang first time ko ulit. Picturean ko lang yung view. Ayan, take over, daddy.
Oh no. Oh no.
Rolling na yan.
Bakit na? Rolling. Rolling in the deep. Hey. Hey bro. How about you, Miss? Miss Beautiful? Let me see your TikTok. Okay, move. Okay, go. Go, TikTok ka na. Dance ka na.
Nasayaw ko.
Ano ba gusto mo?
Kantay
Doon ka, doon. Yan, doon. Yan. Okay, go. Chicken. Ay, nakiss pa. Ano naman, babe? Uy, ba? Ano ba yun?
Let me.
Uy, G, masira. Tasha, yung other TikTok mo.
Let me see things. Apple pen. Pineapple pen. Pineapple pen.
May tinuturo yung anak ko sa akin.
It's
Wow!
getting cold my belly.
Wow, they have it for display. Hey, don't lean on the glass, anak. I think because that's the speaker. Yeah, that's the speaker, anak.
Follow.
Jay, Tasha. No, that's the speaker kasi, anak. Don't touch it, don't touch it.
Berry. Delicious. I'm gonna eat the berries.
Alright, so are we good? Let's go to the other garden. Tasha! Eto. Dito. Galing na ba tayo dyan kanina? Yeah. Meron pa taas yata. Okay, let's go, let's go. Come on. Hindi pa. Malayo pa to, anak.
Dragon!
Psst, psst, psst. Jay. Hala. Bakit nasigaw ka?
I just got shocked.
You just got happy?
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Zen Garden? Saan?
Don't touch the flowers daw.
Why?
They're taking care of it. Baka kasi paglaruan, alam mo na. Sino may sabi?
Oh my god, look at I found!
Asan?
Doon, sa labas.
Saang labas?
Sa likod mo.
Eh, yung ginawa natin, nag-tripod tayo.
Diyan lang naman nakalagay bawal eh.
Hey, there's another speaker.
Ah.
Okay, wait.
We should go here first.
Anak, may tao pa. Oh, ayan, ito na. Oh, sorry. Anak, careful.
What?
May kasama ka kasi, huwag ka magmadali.
Don't step on the flower.
Parang Japanese. This is the Sakura Japanese garden. Yeah.
I found golden fish. I found golden fishes. I found a golden fish. Mommy, I found a golden fish. And they have fins in their head. Mommy, I see goldfish. Look,
Wait lang. Picture daw ako ni Daddy.
No. Hey.
Excuse me, Tasha Alice.
Okay, it's okay. Okay. Haba ng...
Mommy, I just found a golden fish. He
Where?
has fin on his head.
That's a... Oh, nga no.
What did you call? Mommy, may sakura.
Yes, it's there's...
What are
Feature,
those?
they're featuring Kuromi Sakura Garden.
Guys, come on, let's go. Mommy, there's
Pwede kita tayo sa red Ayan o. Ayan, banner.
Japan.
Oo.
DJ!
Teka lang, love. Hi, si Hello Kitty!
Tasha, come here.
There's no fish in there po.
Later lang, anak. Later.
Go down.
Sige, love. Ayun no, may falls. Yeah. Yes. Oh, let's go, kids. Kids.
Mommy, there's a Kurumi.
Yes, that's Kurumi. Yes.
Mommy, tingnan mo.
Yeah, wow, opo. Mm-mm.
Dami mga character.
Yes.
Walang kalala.
Ay, jacket. Wala akong nakikita ko, Pilipino. No?
Yeah.
Mami,
Let's go na. Way out. Wala na yata doon.
Ganda, dun. Tayo sa Cloud Forest.
Alright, let's go.
Mommy, don't make me shout ha.
Ay, ikaw lang naman ang nasa-shout. Wow, nga no, there's an owl.
Okay,
Let's move to the other forest.
let me play game.
Daddy wants to play a game.
Whoever finds ano bang animals dito?
You wanna go to toilet? Let's toilet muna.
Nakakaputi.
Yeah, so we're here now in Cloud Forest. So ayan o, may Jurassic World experience. Ito talaga yung iniintay ng mga bagets. Ayan na. Ayan na si TJ. Wow! Wow! Yay, Tasha. Oh.
This is amazing! This is amazing!
Do you like it? Tasha, wait, tao. Wait.
Kapag ganito?
Yeah, ay patayo na lang. Yan. Sineset up ni Daddy yung aming magiging photo. Katawa.
Ayun na ba yan?
Happy ka sa birthday mo? This is her late birthday celebration and graduation gift from Mommy and Daddy. And Kuya also. We will see all of them inside. Come on. Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
Tasha sa bayo ko.
Yan. Nakapag-picture na kami dun sa highlight ng ano, yung entrance highlight. Ayan. Yung may Brontosaurus. Kung tayo mga bata, ang saya. Ang ganda. Ganda ng ginawa nila. Na totoo lang. May something. May kakaiba. Hindi lang siya puro bulaklak or what. Ganda. And parang last year pala, birthday ng anak ko, ni Tasha din. Nag-ano kami, Biodome. Sabi ko last year, parang ka akong ano, Cloud Forest Dome, yung itsura niya. Naalala ko dito sa Biodome, yung ano, sa Singapore, Flower Dome. Feeling ko na baka doon nila inano yung inspiration for the ano, Philippine Biodome. And a year after that, nandito na kami, oh. Nakabalik kami, oh, di ba? I mean, andito kami, yung mga bata, oh. And, na-celebrate din namin dito yung birthday ni Tasha. Yan. Saya.
Here's some Look.
Huh? Huh? Where are they?
Here, this.
Oh, the small, ano. Ay, don't touch it, don't touch it.
May nakahawak ng bata.
Ay, huwag na natin gayahin.
Here is this one.
Ang saya-saya ni Tasha, love. Diba Tasha, gusto mo sa hotel? Kapag mainit. Kanina naglalakad kami, tinotopak yung bunso ko. Diyos ko. Sabi niya, balik na lang tayo sa hotel. Pagod na ako, ang init. Tapos ngayon tinatanong namin ng papa niya, ano, balik na tayo sa hotel? No! Wow, there's a T-Rex! Na-excite yung matanda. It's alive! It's alive! Told ya! Pansin mo lang, birthday ni Tasha din yung nag-dino, ano tayo? Bye. At saka yung Dinosaurs Island. Oo. Say hi! Wow! Kala mo totoo, ang galing ng robot eh. What can you say, DJ, Tasha? Galing. Ang galing ng robot. Very nice. Picture na, picture. Picture, smile here. Look at the camera, kids. There. Ay, sorry, sir. Sorry. One, two. Nagtago yung dinosaur sleeping.
Yun na, G.
Ayan na, it's gonna wake up.
Stand, yeah.
Ayan na. Ayan na.
Wala, yun na.
Ayan na. Smile. Jay, smile up. Okay.
Don't shout.
Ayan na.
Attention, attention. Warning, asset uncontained. Please proceed to the nearest sensor immediately. Please follow park staff directions to the nearest safe zone.
Galing nga eh.
Attention. Warning, asset out of containment. Please proceed to the nearest zone.
Hawa ka na, daddy. Dapat pinicturean mo, kunyari hawak mo siya. Antok pa yung dinosaur eh. Napikit talaga eh, no? Ang galing. Let's go, let's go. There's a lot there inside. Where? You want there? Oo, wala dad. Forest lang, oo. Kaya nga may something eh. Yung, yes. Nung nakapunta ako dito, walang ganito talaga. So maganda yun nga yung sabi ko kanina na may kakaiba. Hindi lang siya halaman. May nagkaroon nagkaroon ng theme yung ano, flower forest yun. Picture. Picture. Napagod si Daddy. Pahinga muna. We're here at Temple of Sanctuary. Grabe, hindi kayo napapagod ah.
Oh my God!
Are we not going here? Dito na lang. Oh, we're here at the Gentle Giants. Oh, let's... Whoa! It's wagging its head.
I think he's talking to you.
What is it?
Sabi, TJ.
Hello,
Alright, we're here at the Gentle Giants Sanctuary. Bye!
what about his body?
It's hiding.
What?
It's a Brontosaurus.
Okay naman niya?
Look.
Wow. Yeah. Bye, Brontosaurus.
I wish I could do like Laura.
Yo, it's a big capybara. Yeah. Let's go here na. Let's go here.
And a truck.
We're gonna go up.
Go home na tayo, Tasha.
No! Mama, tapos na.
Hindi pa.
Kasi yung shades mo.
Asan yung shades mo, baby?
Nandito.
Ah, nasa akin. Okay.
Careful lang basa.
Go to daddy.
Nilagyan yan.
Okay, okay. Okay po.
Brontosaurus.
Yeah, Brontosaurus. Hmm. Ano namin, lakad-lakad lang kami ngayon. Dito yung Super Groove. Ayan, punta tayo dyan tonight para mapanood yung light show.
Brontosaurus is here.
Ayan. That's the Super Groove.
Okay, let's go. Let's go now.
Alright, let's go! Ang asawa ko matapang yan. Sa lahat ng bagay, malakas sa loob yan. Huwag lang sa heights.
I found something. Sa baba.
Ang cute mo lang. Cute mo lang. Asan? Wow! Ooh, there's pterodactyl! We will see them later.
It's fake.
I know, but we will see them later. Come on, baby!
The dinosaur is fake.
How are you, babe? Yeah. Kanina,
What about the
nag-aano sila magkuya. Nag-iinggitan. Sabi nung bunso, ay, nasa na yung ano ko? Nag-iinggitan silang magkuya kanina. Sabi nung bunso, mas maganda yung birthday ko. Kasi last year, nag-7th si kuya sa Hong Kong eh. Teka lang ah. Nag-7 si kuya last year sa Hong Kong and sa Macau.
Down there.
Yeah, wow, it's a beautiful place. Let's go. So yon, ngayon, itong bunso ko, sabi niya, mas maganda yung birthday ko ngayon. Gaanuhan sila magkapatid. Gaasaran sila. Sabi naman ng isa, I want, mas maganda yung sa akin. Ganon. Grabe energy ng mga bata. Grabe energy pagka gusto talaga nila yung... Uy, parang nakaano. Grabe yung energy nila kapag yung gusto nila yung lugar. Talaga din mo patak-patak mo po.
There's a movie.
Movie! Oh, let's go. Ayan, ganyan sila. Tapos pag maglalakad sa labas, kapag I'm tired, I wanna go home, ganun sila. Eh ngayon kasi nag-e-enjoy sila. Tapos at last malamig. Kaya, yan. Oh, see? Ganda. Ang ganda ng theme. Oh, those are dinosaur eggs. Look, oh. No, it's for only. What are you doing?
I wanna try.
These are dinosaur eggs.
I wanna try.
Okay, you try to press something.
Mama, look.
Yeah, that's the baby dinosaur.
I like.
Oh, there are baby dinosaurs.
Hold up. I wanna see the dinosaur.
Jay, oh, look, oh. Pero syempre, kunwari lang yan. Nasa incubator. Oh, they're sleeping. See? Para mga tinapay lang. What did you find? Ha?
Gumagalaw.
Hindi.
No, no. What about this? Maybe this. That's your wrong. You have to press that.
What did you see?
Oh,
Oh,
And I found something.
wow, it's a baby bronto.
Mommy, look.
Oh,
Mama,
oh, you can see. You wanna see? This is the egg number 4. Triceratops. Oh, it's scanning. Oh, that's the baby Triceratops. How about it? The Brontosaurus. You're checking it.
because I love dinosaurs.
Oh, they're gentle giants.
Tingnan mo, ang cute.
Ang cute ba? Ang
Tingnan
ganda.
mo, oh.
Wow. Oh, you will see the heart rate, blood pressure. It's amazing. Let's try. Okay. Mag-ano tayo? Ito. Ano bang alam ko dito? Ito na lang. Triceratops. Yan. Ini-scan niya yung egg. Nasa harap natin.
Mami, ba't ayaw matanggal?
Nandyan lang siya, anak. So, ayan. Let's press the egg daw. And inside it, oh, yan yung itsura daw nung nasa loob ng egg. Yan. So, ayan, oh, may heart rate, may BP.
Number 6
Ganda.
I picked number 6.
Ayan, so mas, detailed, kuno. Ayan, galing. Ang galing, ang interactive, no? Ganda. Oh, come on, let's go. Wow, these are the Crystal Mountain. Come on. Oh, there's, what's that? A dinosaur, baby dinosaur. Yeah. We're gonna go to the hotel.
We're going back to
Okay, come on.
Come on, let's see the dinosaur.
Sige.
And we're back again. Come on, let's go.
Ganda. Kids, wait for us po. Dito anak ko. Ay, may baby. Ah, sige. May baby dinosaur. Wow, it is a slug.
And look, a brown bear.
Yo! Oh, Andean bear. They call it Andean? Andean.
I wanna call that brown bear.
Alright, brown there it is. Oops, dead end. Oh, there's the baby dino.
Where?
JJ, no entry. Paikot pala. Ah, may ano. Oo, parang may tubig. Oo. I'm stepping on water, parang ganon. Ang ganda. Oo. Galing. Ganda.
Parang may napapagod ko.
Wala na, sarado na yata. Let's go.
Dinosaur! I found baby dinosaur! Can we touch the baby dinosaur? Ma, can we touch the baby dinosaur, please?
Halika.
Yes!
What did you say again?
So I can touch it.
Okay. Okay.
Alright. Yeah, oh, she's very excited actually. That's why she's moving her head a lot. So you don't need to be scared, okay? Yeah.
The back of your hand down.
Yeah. Just like that. Very nice. She's still a baby, so we want to be as gentle as possible. Oh, try not to. Okay. Alright, let's take a photo together.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah, oh, she's very excited actually. That's why she's moving her head a lot. So you don't need to be scared, okay? Use the back of the hand. Yeah, use the back of your hands for me. Just one more pen. Oh, use the back of your hands for me. Just like that. Very nice. She's still a baby, so we want to be as gentle as possible. Try not to. Okay. Alright, let's take a photo together. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, gonna come to the front for me. Try our best not to tickle her. She might feel a little bit split, okay? Okay, we're gonna look at this camera here first, okay? 3, 2, 1, smile! Very nice. Okay, let's do that, okay? Ready? Amazing,
Okay, we'll go down again. Don't worry. Grabe, tuwan-tuwa yung mga bata. Tawag dito. Nakapag-photo op sila doon sa baby dino.
I'm up here. I'm up here.
Sobrang, alam mo yung excitement nila. Kanina hindi ko nakunan. Sabi na anak ko sa akin, Mommy, I'm so excited. Giggles talaga siya. So happy. Ang saya, ang saya. Thank you for this experience.
Let me see that picture.
How do you feel about your birthday, Tasha? Good. Okay. Yes. What, baby? It's closed? Yeah, we're not allowed to go there. There's the exit. Just follow the trail. Okay? Actually, kanina dun sa parang end of queue na talaga. Yung sa photo op. Kaso, yung isang crew doon, nakita niya yung mga bata. Tuwan-tuwa sa nagagagano, nagigiggles. Yeah. So sabi, sige, how many are you? Sabi namin, 4. So sabi, okay, come inside. Pinagbigyan ko kami, kahit tapos na talaga. Ang galing. Thank you so much to the crew who made my kids so happy for this day. So, ayan. Ito yung sa photo op kanina. Scan lang namin. Grabe, hindi na namin mahabol yung mga bata. Sobrang enjoy na enjoy sila sa araw na to. Hindi na, pag talagang yung energy ng mga bata nasa taas, hindi namin sila mahabol. Saya ng anak ko. Katawa. Kids! Kids! No! Kids! No running! So yun. Hanggang dito nagsasaway pa rin ako. Yan talaga, hindi natatapos ang pagiging ina natin. Hanggang Singapore. Oo. Ang anak ko. Jay.
No touch it.
Don't, anak. Come on, come on. Kids. So yun. After nito, we're gonna meet a friend. And, late lunch lang kami. And after that, lakad-lakad on pasyal sa may Merlion. At least, ako yung napapagod. Anyway, at least hindi masyadong maaraw paghapon. Kaya na kasi hindi namin masyadong inikot yung yung forest dun sa labas kasi sobrang init. Pero mamayang gabi, babalik kami doon. Kasi mas maganda daw sa gabi. Dumilat. Yes?
Jay. Jay.
Jay, come here.
There's Charlie, right? There's Delta, and there's also Echo, that's right. Okay, but we actually have one more pronunciation. Not yet in the enclosure. You want to take a guess?
Go here.
Okay, come on.
No, that's one. Guess it on the first try. Very nice. Alright. So before we actually go, guys, there'll be two friendly reminders, right? So first, don't stand beyond this barricade in front of you, right? And second, no flash photography, okay? You can take photos and videos, just no flash, alright? Okay, without further ado,
Hey, hey,
ladies and
ito lang.
gentlemen, be blue! And down blue. Alright, easy, steady go. Alright, there you go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, meet Blue. She's as fast as she's sharp, and she's also highly intelligent. In fact, we've taught her a few exercises to keep her on her toes. My personal favorite exercise is called tracking, and she follows my hand. Alright, take a look at this. Okay. Eyes on me, Blue. There you go. Alright. Now watch how she tracks my hand as I walk to the left, and then now to the right. Okay, easy girl. And there you go. Good job, Blue. Isn't she amazing, guys? Oh, okay. We actually have a bit more time before I have to put Blue back in her enclosure. Is there anyone who's brave enough who wants to give tracking a try? Alright, let's come on under the over here, right? Okay, what's your name? TJ? Alright, TJ. Let's stay in the middle for me. Slowly down, back, down, girl, easy. Right, let's stay in the middle for me. Okay.
Mamaya, mamaya,
Get her
mamaya.
attention, right? Shout to her, eyes on me, Blue. Can you do that? Shout her, louder, louder.
Eyes on me, Blue.
Eyes. Right, now you have attention, right? That's right. Keep looking and slowly make your way to the left. Very good. Now you can go all the way to the right, but slowly by yourself, right? Can you do that? All the way to the right. Nice, nice. And just a bit more. There you go. Look at that, even as they're crouching down, right? Very nice. It's a natural at this. Once you're done, you put your hand into her face and you bring it down slowly. Then she'll know that you're done. And ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause for TJ Wayne. If you are going to be dinosaur training, you can join me, okay? So if you guys want to take photos, videos, or have to suck her back before she causes more trouble, okay, back it up. Ooh, easy girl, back it up, back it up. I'm okay with dinosaurs, it's never predictable, but that's what I love about this job. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining
Thank
me here
you.
today. I'm gonna go check up on Blue, but I hope to see you guys next time, right? Bye everyone.
Bye!
Alright, you ready?
Pahinga onte.
Pagod yung matakakita.
Kaya nga eh. So maya pag mainit, pagod na yung mga bata.
I'm a raptor.
Bawal dun.
I'm a raptor. I'm a raptor.
Bob, come here. Come here, come here. Hey, Raptor.
Raptor.
orchard doon sa pinagbabaan natin kanina. Ano ba yun? Hindi ko alam. Picture kayo? Okay. No, there, here. Yan. Baliktad anak, baliktad. Huwag mo ayan. Oh, you can look at the phone. Tama na. What do you wanna?
I want to see our picture.
Okay, next.
Where's my Brontosaurus?
Ayan o.
Where's my Brontosaurus? There it is. Halika.
Ayan.
So now, can we go to the Brontosaurus?
Okay, Brontosaurus.
Woohoo!
Gardens by the bay.
Oh, smile! Opo, opo, opo. Smile, kids! Kunan mo yung may Jurassic.
One, two, escalate. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so we're done at Gardens by the Bay. Yan. It's a very good experience for the kids and for us also. Saya. Mas, sabi nga ng asawa ko, mas maganda siya ngayon kumpara nung sa dati. Nakapunta na rin kasi siya dito and ako din nakapunta na rin. So dati kasi flower lang. Yun. Mas masaya ngayon yung experience namin kasi we're complete. I mean, we're with our family, with our kids, di ba? So, ang saya mamasyal. Kahit minsan talagang medyo lang sila. Sure, no problem. Lang sila nangungulit. Ayan, tulad yan, mainit na naman ngayon. Mamaya, magre-reklamo na yan. Pero, overall experience, pag nagta-travel kami, masaya naman. Yun yung mga hindi mo makakalimutan, yung mga ganong eksena. Yung mga waiting for you. Yung mga pagagalitan mo. Because we're going to mall. Yung mga pagagalitan.
To McDonald's?
Yeah, later. We're going there na, saglit. Yung mga, yeah, wait lang. Yung mga pagagalitan mo sila, yung mga may iyakang portion pa. Tapos, alam mo yung, nakakatawa kasi 'di ba sa picture kailangan nakasmile kayo. Pero hindi niyo alam sobrang daming pagalit na yun para lang makakuha ng magandang shot. Ano ba? Umayos ka. Ang daming ganun eksena. Tapos pagtingin mo sa picture, wow, ang ganda, parang walang nangyaring dramahan or iyakan muna. Ang saya-saya lang. So, ayan. Kahit maraming mga bit-bit kasi syempre pag may bata, di ba? Pero overall, very nice experience and we love it. So, we're here na. Ayan. Mamayang gabi, balik kami siguro dito para sa lights. Kasi ngayon, mainit pa eh. Hindi pa ma-appreciate ng mga bata yung beauty ng garden. Oh.
That's not the good.
Wait lang, Dad. Picturean ko lang to.
Hey!
Chicken. Dito to. Look at the video. Chicken.
Just a chicken.
Yes. Ang dami namin nakitang manok. Alam mo yung parang manok na panabong. Mga tandang. Tandang ba yun, love? Hindi ko alam tawag eh. Pero sabi ko, bakit ba kalat-kalat yung manok dito? Parang ginawang kung sa atin maraming maya. Sa Malaysia maraming pigeon. Dito maraming manok. Okay. Ayan. Nagsa-start na sila, di ba? Nagsa-start na sumimangot. May naiinitan. Ayan na. See you later. Magna-navigate lang kami going to MRT. So, ayan. Hi! We're here at Marina Way. Dito kami umexit ng MRT eh. So, kakatapos lang namin i-meet si Tita Ruth and si Sam. And, yun, nag-shopping din kami. Namili ng shoes and t-shirt ng mga bata. So, sabi ko, hindi na siguro kami babalik ng Gardens by the Bay kasi baka di na kami mag super groove, ano ba yun? Yung parang Lights Rhapsody show ba yun ng Gardens by the Bay. Kasi parang tinanong ko yung mga bata, they want to watch the fireworks daw sa Marina Bay. So dito na lang kami sa Marina Bay. We're on our way to Marina Bay Sands na. So yun nga. Let's go kids! Lakarin lang namin. Marina Bay Sands nga to, love. O, di na lang tayo. Taxi. Parang mas malapit siya sa sa Gardens, no? Hindi rin. Okay. So, yun. Yeah. 19 minutes. O yun, papunta dun sa Marina Bay. Nagkamali yata kami ng in-exitan. Mali kami. Marina Bay Sands pala tong exit na to. So akala ko, Merlion. Iba pala yun. Merlion kasi nasa isip ko. Okay. Oo nga, kakala ko nandito. Okay, lito-lituhan lang ang tita. So, punta na kami doon. Lakarin lang namin konti. Sana tumagal yung mga bata para makapag-photo op and to watch the fireworks. Kanina okay sana nung tanghali or hapon eh. Kaya lang yung mga bata kasi sobrang mainipin sila. Konting init lang, konting pawis lang nag-aaya na sa hotel. So, namin, gabi na nga lang pumunta doon para medyo presko tapos hindi naman init. Pero wala pa kami sa Merlion. Kakatawid lang namin. Lalakad lang kami dito sa may... Ang tawag dito sa area na to? Kalimutan ko. Yan, ito na. Sa may bayfront na kami. Mas buhay talaga siya sa gabi. Kaya mas prefer din namin na gabi talaga. Although, let's go. Okay din naman sa morning, pero kasi mas iba yung dating ng ilaw. May art eh. Oh, art. Yan. So, we're here na. Oo nga. We're here na at the Merlion. Grabe, ang daming tao. Dami nagpo-photo op. Ayan. See? Mga nakakanga. Ayan, ang dami. Ayan na siya.
Ano ko yun nga?
Mamaya nga ka. Turuan kita magnganga. Oh, do you want there? On the other side, sa overlooking. Doon nga magandang view. Halika. So, yan. Oh, ngayon, yung anak ko, problemado. Paano daw siya nga? Last time, nung nagpunta ako dito, ginagawa to eh. Parang mini-maintenance yung Merlion. Kaya hindi kami nakapag, photo op ng mga kaibigan ko. Ay, sorry. So, yun. Ngayon, kabalik ako with my family naman. Sana maka-picture. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Paano daw siya nga? O, problema niya ngayon ang laki. Sige. Oh, doon anak, stand up there. Stand there. Ayun oh. Dito. Yan. Ayan, dyan ka. Excited sabi niya, paano ako nga? Alright. O mamaya, pagkatapos nila, daming tao, daming mga turista na nagpo-photo. Yan. So, tapos na kami makapag-photo op ng aming mga creative shots. Wow, creative shots! Ayan, so thank you so much sa mga tumulong sa amin makakuha ng photo. And right now, we're just waiting for Jed and his family kasi magdi-dinner daw kami. And dito kami magkikita around Marina Bay. Sabihin mo lang na sa Merlion tayo. So yun, around Manila Bay tuloy, Marina Bay. Manila Bay. Ayan, so ayan, Marina Bay Sands, there it is. And here's the Merlion. Ayan. Mas maganda pumunta ng gabi kasi maliwanag. Sa umaga naman mainit, hindi rin mag-enjoy mga bata. So yun. Whichever your preference is, pareho namang okay. So I think that's it. That's a wrap for our today's video. And thank you so much for the free foods, Tita Ruth, and I don't know, mamaya tingnan natin kung makalibre din tayo kay Jed family. Sabi ng asawa ko, ganun pala pag mamamasyal ka sa ibang lugar para makalibre ka ng pagkain. Makapagkita ka sa mga kakilala mo na nakatira doon. Nataga doon. Ano lang, kupal moves lang. Pero syempre, joke lang yun. Na lang namin kanina kasi nilibre kami ni Tita Ruth, pero dapat, hindi naman. So, thank you again, Tita Ruth. And see you later. And see you on our next vlog, ha? Okay? So, that's it for now. Thank you for touring with us. So, bye!